Hi everyone, thanks for watching Craftbox. Today I'd like to show you how to make these funny looking croissant toys. I think they look like a French croissant. So let's get started. All you need is just some tape, a pair of scissors and 2 pieces of folding paper. What we want to do, we want to put one piece of paper to the side and we start by folding this piece of paper across to the other side, but don't press on the fold yet. So let's press only on the corner. Open it again. And we want to do the same for the other piece of paper. Just on one side, doesn't matter which side you prefer. Okay, so then we take our scissors and we want to cut from this corner up to the small little dent we just made. You can use a ruler and some pencil if you like to draw out the line so it's easier, or just do it by eye. So like this, and then the other side as well. The good thing is it doesn't need to be perfect. And then we take the other one, we do the same. Like this. Like this. So you have 2 triangles. We want to put them together on the straight side we have left from the paper, and then put them very close together. Then we take our tape and we want to stick them together by using a piece of tape. Okay, like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, mine just opened up a little bit, it's not a problem. So we cut off our tape and then we just pick it up from the table, turn it over, and just the additional piece of paper, we just want to fold that over. Like this. Okay, then we fold it together so you have one triangle. And then we want to roll it up like a croissant. So we just take the straight line and we want to fold it over as tightly as possible without folding it. If you can also use like a pencil or something to put inside of it, but make sure your roll is very tight. Okay, so we roll it up all the way, make it tight, 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 like this. Okay, so that's our croissant toy. Let me show you. There it is. And now I'm going to show you how to use it, but I need to go up the stairs to do so, or you can just stand on the table and throw it down from there.